You have a snoring problem? Have you had any experience that you were awake by your own snore? AirCozy has a built-in snoring detection system which can effectively reduce your snoring volume and frequency.
Reduces snoring frequency and volume. Smoother airways during sleep. Reduces the risk of sleep apnea and relieves airway obstruction. Built-in snoring detection system. Reduces the pressure on shoulders, necks, and arms. AirCozy is the one and only pillow that gives side sleepers the best quality of sleep. TENCEL material.